Michael Hwang. I'm the Tiantan Group GM and Sino Mbale Industrial Park GM. Today I'm very, very happy. From this market, we are just finished one, but I gave the promise after half month. After half month, I building another one. Even today we gave that dustbin to give the city. We are investor. Also hope the city get the clear and beautiful. Even our local people, our local community also get the good life and health.
I know that you have really supported them, and that is increasing their business. And today we also launch here a very powerful project, water. Water is life.
Yeah.
And our people struggle, some of them may not have money to pay for water. But today we are saying thank you so much for this project. And I want to ask the community to own, this is your own water. And we appreciate because they are helping us, especially the women who suffer. Carrying water, making sure that we have water in our homes. So women, we want to appreciate our friends for giving us water. And they are saying that it's not only here, but we are also looking for land. They want to build a school for your children. So the city has an obligation to make sure that we look for land so that we build a school. And I know after building a school, they will even build us a hospital. Good partners who are really doing good, and they have not stopped there. They want to make sure that Mbale City is clean. They have given us many containers over there to make sure that people do not just throw everywhere rubbish, but at least to make sure that we put in a container, and they're going to help us to plant the trees in Mbale City so that the beautification of the city. I want to conclude by saying thank you so much. We want to make our commitment that we are going to work together with you. We are going to support these projects that we are doing, but also the industrial park that is giving our children employment. And I want to appeal to our people of Mbale City. This is our own. We need to support. We need to make sure that we protect. We should not destroy. Now they have given us this water. We should not come back here tomorrow when the taps are all stolen.
And not just, it is a true friend, not just China is a true friend of Uganda. And for us in security, we'll only make sure that our friends from China are safe so that they can continue with the development agenda of our country. So we thank you, General Manager, for all this. And I know we are going to do more.
Yes.
So we thank you and hope to see you time and again. Okay. Thank you so much.
On behalf of government of Uganda and on behalf of the President, we want to thank the General Manager and the Sino Industrial Group for supporting this program. Government wants us to have water. And the government, the President himself lobbied for these investors. All the services, last time, remember we were here, they contributed towards the Muslim community. We have over 15,000 people employed in the park. And one of the biggest problems we have now is employment. So I want to thank the General Manager and his group for making this program possible and for giving us water and all other programs. This is not the only one. The mayor has listed almost all of them. Our people is continue supporting government. Prevail over our young people. You walk with this. You fear. These groups that put out these items, don't steal them. Because in Uganda, our people here, our people here, that buy in Mbale, they steal everything. So let us look after them.
My name is Karim Masaba, the Member of Parliament representing Industrial Division in Mbale City. And I'm very happy for the welcome and reception that I've received here today. As a Member of Parliament, as someone who has grown from the area, I've been passing and buying some of the best fruits in Mbale City at this roadside market in Mbale. But unfortunately, I've been feeling very bad about the conditions. Our people have been working in harsh conditions. The environment has not been favorable. Usually when it rains, you see them trying to cover themselves with buveras because there is no tree, there is no shelter around here that could have helped them. When it shines so much, you see that they are struggling to survive here. But I'm happy and delighted today that the management of the industrial park has come out and constructed for us a proper roadside market to provide for us shelter for our people who work on this market. And I'm happy that now our people cannot face challenges with too much sunshine, with the extreme rains that we receive here in Mbale. This is very good for our people, and I believe it will help many of them. We did raise an issue. The community came out and told me, MP, the market is still small. You find ways of talking to the management such that they can expand. We've seen they're doing something, but we request that they can expand it such that it can accommodate more of our people, because the numbers of people who work in the industrial park are very many. So we need to have all kinds of people who can sell different products from here. So my request, the request was put in, and the chairman, Mr. Paul, and the management of the industrial park have agreed to further expand this market to meet the expectations of the people. And we are grateful. I do thank the management, I do thank the CEO, the one who is in charge, the chairman, Mr. Paul Zhang, for this good initiative. I believe it will serve our people very well. I do thank the management as well for the water system that are put in place, because of one of the biggest challenges we've been facing in Doko have been issues to do with safe drinking water. Usually in times of the dry seasons, many of our boreholes here are dry, and they are not enough to provide, or they do not provide enough water for many of our people. Many of the people have been fetching water from the swamps, the nearby river Namatala, which water is not safe for our people. So with this new initiative, I believe our people will have access to safe drinking water, and in one way or another, they will not get diarrhea, they will not get all those other diseases that come with drinking water, which is not safe. We could even have Ebola cases here because of unsafe water, but I think this is in the good direction and it will help our people. Lastly, we've also received about 200 garbage cans from the industrial park to help supplement on the efforts to have a clean, smart city here in Mbale, and I believe this will help reduce on the issues that we are facing as a city, because we've been facing challenges with garbage. When you go everywhere, you find people have littered everywhere, and people litter or drop garbage because they do not have proper cans or they do not have designated areas where they can put their trash. So I believe this will help us as the leaders of the city to have a clean, safe city.
Kidulu, tuli wano ku Sino Industrial Park. Tuze wabaddewo ebintu bibiri ebikulu bye bakoze. Bateesewo amazzi abantu bafe abaddoko, tufunye omukisa nti tulina amazzi wano agasobola okutuyamba. Ekyokubiri, abakyala n'abaami babadde batundira ebintu ku paaka awo nga batuula butuuzi wabweru, naye babateereddewo we basobola okutundira ebintu byabwe, babayambye kubanga kati omusana ne bwe gubeerawo enkuba bw'ebeerawo bali safe. Kale ekyo tusiimanga abantu ba Mbale Industrial City nti partners baffe bali kutunulira ku bantu baffe, obulamu bw'abantu baffe nga baliwo kye bakola. N'ekirala bagamba nti Mbale City bwe batulina ettaka bagenda kutuzimbira essomero ate bateekewo n'eddwaliro. Kati ndaba nti ebyo ebintu byongerako okulaba nti kukulakulana emirimu gya Mbale City n'obulamu bw'abantu baffe, kubanga abaana batambula oluusi okugenda bala okusoma, oluusi omuntu alwadde okufuna eddwaliro ng'atambula. Kale bwe tufuna ebintu nga bino bituyamba, era njagala kwebeebaza n'okubuulira abantu baffe nti katukolagane nabo bulungi.
Kama sinani lidobozi mado ya budala Meya Industrial State Division guna kulesha lero kwa makubano ku commissioninga gamezi gesi aga kolewele ni ba China ba Sino Mbale Industrial Park kubona nti gaeda ka abantu befe bedoko kubona nti bafuna gamezi gama miliyu kubona nti bagatambisa kuyira kubasima kubira gumulanga abantu befe bedoko abakuza kutambisa gamezi gano basigalenga bakugalinda kubanga gamezi gano galigagawe galige ba China na so sempira kusimanga Meya we division baba kuyedere kubera abantu befe manyala nayo.
Sokera dala nja kusooka kusiima abantu mwena, nsiime Sino Industrial Park, nsiime n'obukulembeze bwa Mbale City. Tuli mu nkolagana nnungi no ne Sino Industrial Park. Era ntwala okusiimira ddala Industrial Park olw'amazzi ne katale kebatuzimbiddde awo mu Industrial Park egenda kuyamba abantu baffe nnyo. Saawa eno abantu we batundirawo bali mu shed. Ebitabadde nga mabega bali just batunda mu open place, naye saawa eno kati bali secure, musana tesobola bataatagana oba enkuba. Amazzi nga gano gayamba omuntu wa bulijjo. Nze ng'omuntu nsobola kuweza sente nembanga ngula amazzi, naye wali omuntu atasobola kuweza nusu 10 oba 2 kugula amazzi. Nga city, nga industrial division, ndabira ddala nga eno beyongeza tafaali ku social services ya industrial city division.
Allow me on behalf of the people of Doko to extend our thanks to you for fulfilling your social corporate responsibilities you promised the community, especially providing the shelter for our people to sell their merchandise and provision of the safe and clean water. You see, in the community here we have clean water, but sometimes it is not safe. But this one you have given us is clean and safe. They have already started drinking it, using it. So they are very happy for what you have provided. RCC, I want to extend still my thanks to Michael Hwang and the entire management of Sino Industrial Park. They have already approached our office looking for land to construct a health center and a school. So we pray that God give them courage to fulfill their responsibilities they have promised to us. Otherwise, we are very thankful to what you have done. Thank you very much.
Have children. We are now taking care of our family because of Industrial Park. Even our children, they are now not dormant. They are doing something in the Industrial Park. So I want to thank God for Chinese people who thought on us and give us a market. You people, let us give God a mighty hand clap for Chinese people. Tufunye emitwalo 5 za kurejesaringa kibiina kyaffe nga tuwadde Karimu Masaba MP waffe industrial. Mukama akutuwera omukisa taata. Amanya gange nze chairperson Betty Irene Zebia. Industrial Park. Twebaza MP waffe Karimu Masaba. Mukama tukuwera omukisa atakuwangaze taata. Amina.
Tata mukama kati isikulyano kwasanyukile nabi MP wefe Mr. Karimu Masaba kukweza kukwiyungaho katalekesha lelo hesi bakwele Industrial Park era kwebazile nabi barakala fikum ala bongele emikisa
ndamukawo
Mwebale nnyo toyanziza.
Tugende.
Mwebale nnyo toyanziza amazzi mubeewo. Kyeleero kwawulira lisanyulye. Leero tusanyuse nnyo Industrial Park. Bakugulidde wakatale bava kujja leero kukugulira wakatale. Bakuleetedde buli kimu. Tipa za kuteekamu ebisaasiro. Ne batuwa ssente z'ebibiina z'abakyala. We tuli wano kati. Tulina kugamba bannaffe bawaka bakweyungeko tusobole kukulaakulanisa embeera yaffe embi.
Amanya empisa amanisula wegasaasa. Amazzi waje tubonaabona tusena amazzi mu binnya tetusobola okukola kutaapu tugenda nagabula tetwekulina netulwanira ku maazi netuyombera ku maazi netuvumagana netuli ku maazi naye tweyanziza kena amaazi ezo tekigenda kubeerawo nga kuvumagana nga tuyomba badde abaana osanga nga balwaniddeko Bana walane jikutapu nafa abazadde tubuliri waka nga tujja tuyingira mu nsonga zibadde z'abaana ezifuuka z'abazadde.
Abalina ku taapu zaabwe z'amazzi bagenda mu nnimiro ne batulumya kidomolo kimu kya nusu bitaano naye kati twebaza wano eno ga free ga bowaho tegagenda akalira ekinya batugambye ekiri diipu nnyo wansi tetusuubirayo obuzibu bwonna tugenda kwekolamu omulimu ng'abatuuze tukuume ebintu byaffe.
Thank you so much. My name is Kennedy Mushemeza and I'm the Public Relations Manager of Sino Uganda Mbale Industrial Park. Today I'm very delighted to find that we are opening up a market for our vendors. You know, this industrial park we are hosting 86 companies and 66 already producing and employing more than 15,000 employees. So as we are getting out and getting in, the vendors, some wise vendors, discovered a market opportunity here. They started bringing their merchandise to sell from here in front of the main gate, and they were going through a lot sunshine, sometimes rain. So we realized that they were being disturbed by those changing weather conditions. As the management of the industrial park, because of the willingness to support and economically empower our community, we started to develop for them this market, and we are going to extend it up to the other end. We decided to support them with this market. This market is specifically donated to these people to use it and gain some income. On the same day, we are also happy to donate the trash cans to the City Council of Mbale City. These trash cans are supposed to be distributed within the whole city to help people to be able to litter or dispose their garbage very well. You know, the most challenging factor of cities now is the garbage. The more you dump the garbage, the more you cause the blockage of drainage, the more you cause floods, and then you start complaining. But kumbe, you are the cause of the problem because of the other littering that you do. So as in Mbale Industrial Park, we have given them the trash cans to put them in different corners or different spaces to help support the city collect the garbage. We have also on the same day donated or launched free, clean and fresh water to the surrounding community. We have that borehole is 300 meters deep, so it has a fresh and clean water. That water is free to the community, so all community members are allowed to come and fetch water at a free cost and at their own convenience. We are doing all this to make sure we empower our community. Number one, economic empowerment through this market. Number two, the clean city, the clean hygiene through these trash cans. Number three, a good healthy community by giving them fresh and clean free water. So we are doing all those things not because we have the money as Sino Uganda Mbale Industrial Park, but because we want to develop together with our community.
Witnessing the community project.